I've had three big passions in my life. Art, football, but that's not for this video, and animals. This is me with my first dog, Blackie. Then came Puss and Shane. Then, as an adult, came Gigi and Whiskey. Gigi was a dog which features in one of my big first self-portraits. I was 16 when I did this reproduction of an Edwin Landseer painting. Since then, I've always enjoyed doing wildlife paintings in different mediums. This is an acrylic study of a dog called Fagin, who had been abandoned, and we adopted her. She was found near the Sacre-Cœur. Same time we had Fagin, we had another dog called Motzko. He was a Labrador, lovely dog. These two animals had a wonderful time. We had a big garden. They went with us everywhere, to the beach, absolutely everywhere. They were family pets, and they had an absolutely wonderful life. And then now we've got two cats. One of them is called Tequila, and she loves to pose for portraits, and here she is posing. She actually sits very patiently, but like all animals, they do lose concentration after a little while. Now, as we shall see, it's a lot easier drawing animals from photographs. When Tequila and Tom were kittens, they were so cute, and you could watch them for hours. And of course, they made the perfect subject for a pastel portrait, which I did from a photograph. In recent years at Montmartre, there have been more and more people asking for portraits of pets or of themselves with their pets. And I welcome this trend. Animal portraits are so fun to do. Now, this time-lapse video of me drawing an absolutely beautiful dog dates back quite a few years now. I can't remember when it was drawn, but back then there wasn't such a big demand for pet portraits. The portrait was filmed by the client himself. The guy's name was Dante, and he actually took the trouble to send me the video. Very rare, very cool. For some reason, people who own animals and who want pet portraits drawn are always the nicest people. I received a new commission for another dog from Dante, and it came in April 25. I didn't get it to these guys until August or something crazy like that. No hassle. They were very cool about it. Just wonderful, wonderful people. So 2025 has been one of my best years ever. Why? Because I had so many beautiful four-legged creatures to draw. Thank you, all of you who contributed to this wonderful year. Here, in no particular order, are the portraits of your pets that were drawn in 2025.
What are you doing, David?
Some nice dogs to draw on a very quiet day. But these are really nice composition.
It's rare that you make in profile, no?
Yeah, but they're both in profile. It's just going to change the...
So that's a little bit unusual.
Yeah, but it's fun. Same thing.
We come back to it later, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cute. It's a hachiko, isn't it? I think
It's
it
a
is.
Japanese.
It's a Japanese doll, isn't it?
Yeah.
But the dad is going to be there as well?
It's not the dad.
Who's that? Ah, the brother. Is it going to be in colors?
Yeah.
How many dolls have you been drawing today, Dave?
Oh, a lot of dolls. This is my first human. She is the first human. Some of my most successful pieces this year have been portraits of pets with their owners. And let me quickly dispel the myth that owners look like their pets or vice versa. It's just not true, especially here, as you can see. So this year, I've drawn a gerbil or hamster, a horse, a beautiful bird. But the weirdest model of all was this. Now, what is this? Now, I tell you, it was moving and very lifelike. It really did seem like something that had come out of prehistory. And the bloke carrying it, I mean, he looked like something who just come out of the Amazon forest. In fact, it's mechanical. It's made of rubber. It was a bit of fun and a bit of a laugh. Now, you don't often get feedback from the animals themselves about their portraits, but in this case it happened. Fortunately, I usually get very good feedback from the owners themselves. Kaya sent me these photographs, and I love this portrait which I did. The animals are pictured in a natural setting, and this could almost be an illustration for a Jack London novel. We should remind ourselves that we are animals, the most dangerous animal on this planet. And we should respect the fact that our pets, who came into our firesides from the wild, are still subject to predatory instincts. Now, it's been an absolutely super year drawing all these beautiful animals and their lovely owners. There have been some really nice people that I met. The time has come to decide, and it's not an easy choice, which of all these drawings is my personal favorite. It's this one. It's Wiggles.
I didn't even see you were doing such a wonderful one. I was busy. Oh, this is great. Oh, his pink stomach.
It looks so good.
Yeah, I'm sorry about the time.
Oh, no, you're okay.
What's his name?
Wiggles.
Wiggles.
Yep.
W-I-G.
G-G-L-E-S. Oh my gosh. So good.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
July 2025.
Can I put the right exact date or just
It's the 19th, I think.
Yeah, it
it's
is.
up to you.
The
I can just
19th.
put
19th.